Watch this video till the end. I'll show you a jaw-dropping AI clip of someone running and talking. Created purely with this AI? No downloads, instant results. Stick around. The best part is that you can use this for free. Step 1. Access and credits. Open your browser and go to app.pixavers.ai/create/image text. Or just pixavers.ai, click create for image to video conversion, not animate, where you can download the app from Play Store. I am going to show you step by step using the app. So just open the app and now you will see something like this. Easy interface. It gives you free 30 credits daily, which you can make a 5-second short video with. To earn more credits, just click on the above button and now you will see different options. Free credits, 60 initial, 30 daily credits on the free plan credits. Let you make multiple videos daily. Step 2. Earning extra credits. Boost your credits by watching ads, if available. Sharing or posting your created video. Each action gives bonus credits. That means you can easily create 5 to 7 videos per day using just your free credits. Step 3. Generate video from image. Select image to video on the create page. Upload a photo. Clear portrait or full body shot is ideal, and even you can adjust the size here. Choose a motion effect. For example, like I asked ChatGPT to write a prompt for this image. You can also ask ChatGPT to write. If you use a browser, you will see multiple options, but in the app, you can see few options like adding sound effects, speech, and more. You can also use this option to smarter the prompt. Also, camera motion like horizontal_right or zoom_in. It's available in motion list. Add optional sound effects or background music via the tool or upload your own. Choose styles, realistic, anime, or 3D animation depending on your creative angle. Step 4. Create and preview now. Click. Create. The AI will process the image and prompt into a video in 30 to 60 seconds. I'll see previews during processing. If you found this helpful, smash that like, subscribe for more free AI tools. And tell me in the comments whose photo you want me to animate next. I'll pick one and show you.